After countless of weddings we witnessed, God's timing for us has finally came. Today, we celebrate with God being the center of our love. Malakas talaga ako kay Lord because He gave me my perfect match.
As we both know, during our college days, we literally didn't talk that much to each other. Ni simpleng hi or hello nga wala. So to simplify, we treat each other as that ordinary person lang. But what is always amazing to God's plan is from that ordinary person in the past, 4 years after we meet again, here we are in front of our Lord, our parents, our families, friends, and loved ones, asking for their blessings for us to become one and to spend each other's lives together and our remaining journey here in this whole beautiful world.
Since the beginning of our relationship, never akong nag-doubt sa love and faithfulness mo sa akin. Ikaw yung taong alam mo agad kung ano gusto ko. Kapag hindi ako komportable, alam mo. And you would always find a way para lang maging okay ako. I didn't know I deserved that love until I met you. You came at the perfect time of my life. Yung contented na ako and happy na ako sa life ko. Tama nga yung saying na huwag mong hahanapin. Kusa siyang darating kapag ready ka na. And when you came, doon ko nasabing, uy, totoo nga. Kasi 100% na ako and naging 200% nung dumating ka.
Love, 2 years after our graduation last 2017, we met again in the most unusual place. Sa dinabi-nabi ng lugar na pinuntahan ko, nilakbay ko. Sa Toto Beach lang pala sa intersection, ko mamimit yung mapapangasawa ko.
Bakit masaya ang beshi ko?
Kasi
ikakasal na ang beshi ko!
welcome to my wedding!
Come on, let's go! We'll get away. Just get me out of my house into the sky. We'll take a little trip to paradise. Let's fly. We're soaring high. We're stepping out to the door. I'll take you with me anywhere. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on.
vow to choose you every day. I vow to dream with you and build with you. I vow that I will be your safe place. And I vow that I will support and love you unconditionally for the rest of my life. I love you so much.
Aldrin at Victoria, wala nang ibang mas nakakakilala sa inyo kung hindi ang mga magulang ninyo. Hindi namin pinagdarasal, but for sure you will encounter problems in your life. Huwag kung kani-kanino kayo lumalapit at tumatakbo. Una ang Diyos. Eyo lalako, kwenta tulagaring pengariyo. Lapitan nyo lang. Makasadya lang makasadyang talnan da ko pagoren, tapikan da kayo pagoren. Uling ina rin makakilala nung nino at nung nano kayo. Ika ng matatanda, papunta ko pa, pauli na lang.
Wala naman magbayo. I will still remain the same. I will protect the three of you. It's like what Papa did. Never think na yung pa mag-asawa. Time para lakwan daw ini. Nidagdagan niya yung family tam. Another member na i-welcome tamo para mas lalo yung dagulat sa yung family. Kita mo, love da kang matlo.
Kalaguran da kayo naman. Ika yung adwang biki, luguran da kayo.
My loved ones, lalo na si Mama, alam niyang pinagdasal kita. Pinagdasal ko na yung taong gustong makasama ay yung mamahalin at iintindihin ako sa lahat ng oras kahit ako pa may mga pagkukulang at may mga bagay na negative para sa'yo.
Yeah, you please just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
In my darkest days, you were there for me. When I lost my lolo and my tito, I remember my tito would always ask me for you. And he would always ask me if you are the one with matching tukso. I know deep in his heart, he already knew my answer. Kaya tito, yung tanong mo sa akin ito na, kasama ko na sa altar.
The world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Always remember that I love you so much. Di man natin instantly makakamit yung mga pangarap natin. Pero let's take it one step at a time. Let's enjoy life while we achieve our dreams. And indeed, you are the best birthday gift in my 29 years existence in this world. Happy anniversary, happy wedding day. I love you so much.
Who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you